Why am I doing this again? This is like my fourth video today, fifth. Hi! Yes, hello. I'm just trying to crank out videos before like 5:30. Cause that's the time I gotta get ready to go and kinda finish off the weekend and get ready for that school, you know. And stuff I don't like, so why not go at the bang, huh? So yeah, yeah. Domestic violence and terrorism simulator. And I do not indulge in any of this, okay? Don't do this. Like, seriously. It's... How do these not war crimes? You're nuking city blocks with gas station explosives and you're blowing up city blocks with gas station explosives. So here we are in the quiet suburbs, will soon be in flames. So yeah, if you don't know what this game is, I don't know how. It's been a super popular game. It's dumb crap like this. Kinda like a little stupid. Look. You have dumb crap like this. That's kind of sucks. Can I finish what I was saying? Stupid, get out of here. Oh, and it's in the floor now, in the gutter. So then, and then you have stuff like this, stuff that sometimes like to point at your face. You know, you let it live on this planet. That's how child's play, though. We have people like Tim. Now see, that's more like it. You even go through your front yard, front lawn. Whoa. And then you have stuff on the workshop like a Moab, missile. So yes, we'll get around to 10-second fire machine. And then you have something called Tim 2. This thing is crazy. I recommend you turn down the volume. You know what I mean? My headset volume was up accidentally and I just realized it. You guys won't shut up with your dumb dog. Which is now dead. I did not just do that. So yeah, and then you could do dumb crap in this game too, like fill a truck up with Tims, and then whoa! It's the Tim family gathering, everyone. And now it's time to run for your life simulator and push the truck in the garage, put the truck in the garage, put the truck in the garage, put the truck in the garage. Yeah, no, I put this truck in the garage and survived a lot of explosivos. Oh no! Oh no 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 no! Well, at least it's not my truck. So yeah, Captain Sauce, let's go. That's a man I can respect. They say Doom Boom can be a bad addiction. They could be right, but they might be wrong. Well, they would be right, they would be wrong, you never know. No, I forgot. Yeah. Okay. See, now this place can go like boom boom, like the gas station, which I'll do that in a second. But let's try out the auto clicker. Let's break out the auto clicker. Here we go. This is more like it. Now we just kind of sprinkle everything in Doom Boom. Then we'll lead it out the street, down the road. Doom Boom. Stop the Doom Boom! Stop the Doom Boom! Thank you. Now, the gas station will be littered with it. And we're going to move every single truck out of the radius of the explosion. Oh, that's not safe. You do not keep propane tanks around in town when I'm around. Okay. Let's get every truck out of here. This one's easy to get. We'll put it right there. Stupid blue one can suck it. The one that's over there too. And this one that's out of this garage. We'll get you out of harm's way. You beautiful auto vehiculars. Just put that there and put you there. Now see, would you look at that? I got some nice trucks here. Now it's time that we light it off. I say we'll do it from the gas station, but we'll get stupid ladyfingers up in here, do the job for us, and the trucks can be here to witness it. She's like, but Bird, why are you doing this right in front of the trucks? Thought you wanted to not explode. Well, prepare to be amazed. Okay, we're not doing insane. Just so you can I can kind of explain what happened here. Okay. So, ladyfingers, cool and all. Watch. Yeah, that's cool and all. But now, it's really time for this to do its worst. Okay, this truck is gonna turn into its worst. Oh, Boulevards been lit up. I was gonna say we're going on the roof, but the house is not really an option, and I'm kind of glad I wasn't there when it happened. Yeah, you guys better be lucky. And oh my god. Okay. What if I told you that we could fill up a bathroom with Doom Boom? Oh. This one. Whatever that is. I think that was the toilet. Last time I did Doom Boom in a space like this, let's just say a lot of good things did not happen, also known as my game crashing and crapping his pants. Oh look, a Doom Boom on the windowsill. That's very nice. That's perfect. I also would like to be out of here when this happens. We also do. This must get louder. More intense. How about that for foreclosure? Wow. How about that? That was crazy. I feel like I got shorter. I think it blew my legs off. Such a small price to pay for something this crazy. Am I right? What happened? What is? Let's figure out what is snapper purple. Oh no. Oh, that's gonna be very obnoxious. Okay, truck, I need you. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, I'm not blowing up any of these trucks, so I'm gonna use a trash can. That's welded to the floor. Also known as you. Oh. Oh, God. Yep. Oh, that's a lot. Ooh. That's snapper white. This whole street's just gonna be littered in snapper. It's gonna be just me looking left and right and just throwing crap everywhere. The computer's still powerful enough to record this in a good quality. It's still good enough to handle it exploding. You sound like a super good quantum computer, like it has like a 3090 in it. No, it's a 2060 Super. Or it's an Intel Core i7 something or other. I'll have to check later, but at least it gets the job done, right? I mean, I can't go to the extent of Captain Sauce, but if I ever get an upgrade, that's what I'll do. They're even getting all caught up in the gutters. That's nice. There's like a lot of cigarette butts and stuff everywhere. You can tell the gutters work nice. Kind of sprinkle the rest everywhere else. The little red wagon, the radio wagon thing. God, this street's gonna be a mess in a second. Okay, so I think that's enough to settle the need for the festivities. That should be enough to settle the need for the festivities. It's gonna be a domino effect. Telling you. You might want a little powwow in here. Just add a little bit of a little kick. If you know what I'm saying. This isn't gonna hit at all. Yeah, look. I won't even set it off. I just know. It's a nice bomb. I mean, I like big nukes. Big nukes. Does this have an ignition thingy on it? Yes, it does. No. Oh, oh, oh no.